Want to earn passive income while sleeping? These 4 U.S. bank stocks aren't just stable. They're cash machines with rising dividends and long-term growth. But the number one pick? It's a surprising underdog with a 10-year return that beats the S&P 500 and pays shareholders monthly. Stick around. Your future income stream could start right here. Welcome to my channel. Every day, we bring you powerful insights on the best stocks to buy, top dividend stocks for passive income, long-term wealth-building picks, and the latest ETF opportunities, all designed to help you grow your portfolio confidently. If you're serious about building financial freedom through smart investing, make sure to like it, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a profitable opportunity. At stock number 4 is Citigroup Incorporated, ticker C. Opening hook. Citigroup might not be your flashy fintech, but it's quietly becoming one of the most undervalued dividend banks on Wall Street. Company introduction. Citigroup is a global financial powerhouse offering banking, credit, investment, and wealth management services in over 160 countries. Market capital, $171.37 billion USD. Stock price, July 2025, $93.09 USD. Dividend yield, 2.58%. 3-year stock price growth, plus 85.92%. 3-year dividend growth, plus 3.62%. Key growth drivers. Heavy focus on institutional clients. Trimming and profitable international operations. Cost restructuring driving margins. TTM total return CAGR. 1 year, plus 48.56%. 3 year, plus 30.47%. Valuation metrics. P/E ratio, 14.80. Price to sales, 2.03. PEG ratio, 0.17 undervalued. Dividend metrics. Payout ratio, 35.29%. Frequency, quarterly. Dividend CAGR, 3Y 5.53%. Returns by year, 2016 to 2025. Mixed, with recoveries post-COVID and a strong rebound in 2023 to 2024. Average annual return, 3-year, 30.47%. 5-year, 16.53%. Latest revenue, TTM $168.186 billion. YOY growth, plus 3.09%. Analyst sentiment, 12/5 hold/2 sell. Average price target, $100. Conclusion, a turnaround in progress. Citigroup's dividend and value potential earned at the number 4 spot. At stock number 3 is Goldman Sachs, ticker GS. This isn't just a bank. It's Wall Street's profit machine, and it pays a dividend that's growing double-digit yearly. Company introduction. Goldman Sachs dominates investment banking, asset management, and trading, with a fast-growing consumer banking arm through Marcus. Market capital, $216.58 billion USD. Stock price, July 2025, $705.84. Dividend yield, 2.27%. 3-year stock price growth, plus 134.3%. 3-year dividend growth, plus 14.47%. Key growth drivers. Expanding asset management AUM. Higher interest margins. Leading M&A and IPO advisory. TTM total return CAGR. 1 year, plus 55.69%. 3 year, plus 36.71%. Valuation metrics. P/E ratio, 16.38. PS/ROTE, 1.72. PEG ratio, 0.24. Dividend metrics. Payout ratio, 28.65%. Frequency, quarterly. Dividend CAGR, 3Y 16.98%. Returns by year, 2016 to 2025. Mostly positive, with standout gains in 2020 and 2023. Average annual return, 3-year, 36.71%. 5-year, 30.58%. Latest revenue, TTM $126.243 billion. YOY growth, plus 9.59%. Analyst sentiment, 14/3 hold, Price target, $780. Conclusion, Goldman Sachs is a dividend growth engine disguised as an investment bank. Now the next two stocks? One is a dividend aristocrat with over 100 years of uninterrupted payouts, and the other has turned into a monthly income monster. Let's get into the top two. Now, at stock number 2 is JPMorgan Chase & Company, ticker JPMorgan, the king of American banking. JPMorgan has weathered every crisis and still raised its dividend. Company intro. JPMorgan is the largest U.S. bank by assets, with operations spanning retail, commercial, investment, and private banking globally. Market cap, $805.66 billion USD. Stock price, July 2025, $289.90. Dividend yield, 1.93%. 3-year stock price growth, plus 159.33%. 3-year dividend growth, plus 2.43%. Key growth drivers. Best-in-class risk management. Leading U.S. consumer banking presence. Expanding digital banking footprint. TTM total return CAGR. 1 year, plus 44.56%. 3-year, plus 39.52%. Valuation metrics. PE ratio, 14.23. PS ratio, 2.90. PEG ratio, 0.62. Dividend metrics. Payout ratio, 25.58%. Frequency, quarterly. Dividend CAGR, 3Y11.88%. Returns by year, 2016 to 2025. Strong consistency, especially in 2021, 2023, and 2024. Average annual return. 3-year, 39.52%. 5-year, 27.61%. Latest revenue, TTM $281.506 billion. YOY growth, plus 12.12%. Analyst sentiment, 18 buy and 2 hold, and price target around it, $340. Conclusion, JPMorgan is the most reliable long-term dividend compounder in the banking world. And the last stock is Bank of America, ticker BAC. Bank of America might just be the ultimate passive income machine, with monthly dividend-like consistency, rock-solid returns, and long-term potential. Company introduction. BAC offers retail, commercial, and investment banking to over 67 million clients worldwide, with an increasing focus on digital services. Market capital, $350.19 billion USD. Stock price, July 2025, $46.92. Dividend yield, 2.21%. 3-year stock price growth, plus 41.01%. 3-year dividend growth, plus 2.39%. Key growth drivers. High digital engagement, over 75% online adoption. Low-cost deposit base. Strong wealth management revenue. TTM total return CAGR. 1 year, plus 19.99%. 3-year, plus 16.86%. Valuation metrics. P ratio, 13.99. PS ratio, 1.89. PEG ratio, 0.86. Dividend metrics. Payout ratio, 30.23%. Frequency, quarterly with monthly drip options. Dividend CAGR, 3Y7.34%. Returns by year, 2016 to 2025. Powerful compounding, especially in 2020 to 2022 recovery. Average annual return, 3-year, 16.86%. 5-year, 17.01%. Latest revenue, TTM $191.352 billion. Years of years growth, plus 6.59%. Analyst sentiment, 20 buy and 3 hold. Price target will hit $60. Conclusion, with strong returns, high dividend growth, and digital banking dominance, BAC earns the number 1 spot for passive income in 2025. Let's quickly recap the 4 best American bank stocks for passive income in July 2025, each with strong dividends, stable growth, and serious long-term potential. Number 4, Citigroup, C. An undervalued global bank restructuring for efficiency, with a 4% plus dividend yield and solid turnaround momentum, perfect for value-focused investors. Number 3, Goldman Sachs, GS. Wall Street's premium investment bank combining rising dividend payouts with high double-digit total returns, ideal for investors seeking growth with income. Number 2, JPMorgan Chase, JPM. America's most stable bank, consistently raising dividends for over a decade, with best-in-class management and exposure to every financial sector. Number 1, Bank of America, BAC. A digital banking leader blending strong dividend growth, steady compounding returns, and one of the most consistent payout histories among U.S. banks. BAC tops our list for building passive income. Backhand index pointing right now. It's your turn. Drop a comment. Which of these 4 banks are you buying for passive income? And don't forget, like this video if you found value. Subscribe for more dividend stock ideas. And watch next our video on top monthly dividend stocks paying over 6% in 2025. It's linked on screen right now. Money with wings. Let's build your wealth, one dividend at a time.